Hare Krishna. The 4 levels of chanting. The presence of Harinama Prabhu at 4 levels. The first one is Harinama Prabhu, Sri Harinama, is present at 4 levels. And what we hear is the first level, that's Vaikhari, and beneath that is Madhyama, and beneath that is Pashyanti, and the very origin of Harinama Prabhu is Para, the 4th dimension. These are the levels. This is described in Srimad Bhagavatam and in also Vedic texts. The origin of absolute sound, transcendental sound. So those are the 4 levels. The Harinam that is given to us actually is from the 4th level. Harinam that is sung by Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and given by Gaura Priya to all of us is at 4th level, Para. Currently we are on the 1st level, Vaikhari. Vaikhari means just audible sound vibration. And in the 1st level too, our mind is not with Sri Harinama Prabhu when we are chanting. So even in the 1st level too, we are either in the past or in the future, mind jumping to the past or in the future, but not with Harinama Prabhu yet. That is, so in the 1st level too, we want to see, we want to pray that at least we are in the 1st level. 1st level means we are hearing what we are chanting. It means we have to be present in the moment to hear what we are chanting, to hear the Mahamantra that is being uttered. Right? And it is like this. You know, when we have a tunnel, for the tunnel there is a lid on the ground. When there is an underground tunnel, there is a lid on the ground. So our chanting is, if it is far from the lid of the tunnel, then we are still on the ground only. That is just, for name's sake, it is 1st level only. But we have to come close to that lid of the tunnel. Otherwise, we will just stay on the ground only, on this Sankalpa Vikalpa platform of body and mind. Platform of body, mind, material intelligence, ahamkara. Everything on this level of ground. So our japa currently is somewhere on the ground only. And we have to come close to that lid that is leading to the underground tunnel. And that lid is sattva. Come close to the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, hearing every mantra that we are reciting. It's not so much we are reciting, but fine. hearing every mantra that is being recited. That is japa in sattva. That is at least being close to the lid on the first level. After that, the rest of the levels are by the mercy of Harinama Prabhu. Whatever is said in the scriptures, the glories of the Harinama, everything will be perceived and realized once that lid to the underground tunnel starts opening. For that we have to come close to the lid, locate where the lid is, right? So that is japa in sattva. All of us has potency. All of us, each single one of us. We have that opportunity to come close to that lid. We have to pray. We have to understand our precarious condition. And as we receive this jnana from Sadhu Shastra, we will understand our precarious condition. And then what should be the response when we understand our vulnerable, precarious condition? And naturally it would be like, oh Krishna, please help. Right? That should be the response, right? If there is any other response other than that, oh, will I be able to come close to the lid? Look at others, maybe they are going close to the lid. Look at me, I am so far. I don't think I may be able to get anywhere close to that. All this talk, chat, is the mind talk. In Rajoguna, Tamoguna, all that. And we don't want to get stuck in that talk. Our response should be only, oh Krishna, is this my condition now? Please help. Can you please, see that this mind is attentive to you. Krishna, oh Harinama Prabhu, please. That should be our response. That should be our response. Any other response other than this is away from Krishna, is because of the influence of the gunas. So when this kind of response comes from any jiva, oh Krishna, please, then the lid does open. We will find our place to that lid of the tunnel. Krishna will make that arrangement. We will find our place to the lid of the tunnel. And when we see the lid, we will not want to go anywhere. We will not want to go anywhere. So all this is possible. It is a possibility for each one of us. Each one of us. Doesn't matter, new devotee, old devotee. I have this problem. This happened to me in the past. This is where I got stuck. No matter, no, none of those things are our obstructions. We simply have to say, Krishna, please. That's Atma Krandana. Oh, Krishna, please. Get me there, please. And that can be at the level of mind too. But when that prayer goes on, despite so-called happiness in our life or distress in our life, then that prayer is getting deeper from the level of mind to the deeper levels. Then yes, we will find the tunnel, lid of the tunnel, and opening of the lid of the tunnel. Everything will happen by mercy. Sri Harinama Prabhu ki jaya, Srila Prabhupada ki jaya, and to you all wonderful devotees ki jaya. Hare Krishna.